Welcome to Week Kids Quiz Show by बिंदास गर्ल आरजे आरना फ्रॉम सूरत। आज का हमारा ये कॉन्टेस्ट बहुत ही मज़ेदार होने वाला है। साथ में आप कुछ नए फैक्ट्स भी सीख के जाओगे। इसलिए हमारे आज के कंटेस्टेंट्स हैं जय देसाई एंड राजू मिस्त्री।
Hey Arna.
Hi Arna.
आई विल आस्क अ क्वेश्चन टू बोथ ऑफ यू। जिसे भी आंसर पता होगा वो फर्स्ट एक नॉइस करेगा। तो दोनों के लिए सेपरेट नॉइस है। राजी के लिए मियाव मियाव है और जय के लिए भाव भाव है। और जो भी वो नॉइस पहले करेगा उसे चांस मिलेगा फर्स्ट आंसर करने का। एंड एट लास्ट तुम दोनों के पॉइंट्स काउंट होंगे और जो भी जीतेगा उसे मुझे पार्टी देनी होगी।
ओके पार्टी तो देंगे लेकिन पे आपको ही करना पड़ेगा।
पार्टी तो मेरी साइड से ही ना, आपको देनी है मुझे।
नहीं खा के हम चले जाएंगे।
So now without wasting time, let's start.
The rapid fire round begins.
Which state of India has the longest coastline?
Wow.
Yes, state.
I think it's Gujarat. In my
You are
opinion.
absolutely right. The answer is Gujarat, and it has the longest coastline in India, which lies in the Kathiawar region of the state and is 1600 kilometer long. This coastline is surrounded by the Arabian Sea and is dotted with 41 ports. So there goes a next question for you. Which organ performs blood purification in human body?
Meow.
Yes, Rajvi.
Heart.
You are wrong.
Wow. I think it's lungs. I'm not sure about it.
But oops, you are also wrong. The right answer is kidney. Yes, but many of us think that blood is purified by heart, but that's not the fact. Fact is that your kidney removes your wastes and extra fluid from your body. Your kidneys also remove acid that is produced by the cells of your body and maintain a healthy balance of water, salts and minerals such as sodium, calcium, phosphorus and potassium in your blood. Now,
Was a great
which
info. Wow.
Yes. Which animal never drinks water in its entire life?
Wow. I think kangaroo rat.
Yes, you are right. Kangaroo rat do not drink water because their habitats are hot and dry. Merriam's kangaroo rats obtain enough water from the metabolic oxidation of the seeds. They eat to survive and do not drink water at all. The top Indian YouTubers. From top 3 you can tell anyone.
Wow.
Yes, they.
Carrie Minati.
Yes, you are right. Carrie Minati is the toppest of all.
I know the
Carrie
second.
Yes, say.
Ashish Chanslani.
Yes, you are also right, Rajvi. But this point goes to the as he answered first. So the fact is, the top 3 are Carrie Minati with 30.4 million subscribers, Ashish Chanslani with 24.7 million subscribers, and Amit Bhadana with 23.1 million subscribers. First Indian woman to climb Mount Everest.
I
Hello?
have no idea about it.
Okay. And Rajvi?
No.
Okay, so both failed this round. And the answer is Bachendri Pal.
Interesting.
Yes. Bachendri Pal is an Indian mountaineer who in 1984 became the first Indian woman to reach the peak of the Mount Everest. She was awarded the third highest civilian award, Padma Bhushan, by the government of India in year 2019. So, who wrote our constitution?
Wow. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
You are absolutely right. So, the Constituent Assembly has started working from 9th December 1946. Total 166 meetings were held by the Constituent Assembly in the time period of 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. On 26 November 1949, the committee passed the constitution which was enforced on 26 January 1950. Who is called Father of Indian Cinema?
Wow.
Yes?
I think Amitabh Bachchan, and I have no idea about it. It might be wrong.
Actually, it's wrong. And Rajvi?
I think गोविंद फलके.
Yes, you are right. His original name is Dhundhiraj Govind Phalke and is popularly known as Dada Saheb Phalke. Was an Indian producer, director, screenwriter, and is known as the father of Indian cinema. Raja Harishchandra was the first Indian movie in 1913 and is known as India's first full-length feature film. Isn't that amazing?
Sure it is.
Now, how many total Veds are there? Which are they?
I think there are 5 or 4.
The perfect answer?
5.
That's wrong. And Rajvi?
No idea.
There are 4 Veds and they are Atharva Ved, Samved, Yajurved and Rigved. Rigved contains hymns about mythology. Samved contains mainly of hymns about religious rituals. Yajurved contains instructions for spells against enemy. And Atharva Ved contains spells against sorcerers and diseases. Who is the first Indian Nobel Prize winner?
Meow.
Yes, Rajvi?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Yes, you are absolutely right. Poet Rabindranath Tagore won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1930 for his collection Gitanjali published in London. In 1912, the prize gained even more significance by being given to an Indian for the first time. Now, last question. Where can you find London Bridge today?
Wow.
Meow.
Yes, they.
I will give a type of silly answer. We can find London Bridge in London.
Actually, not that. That's not true.
Meow.
Yes, Rajvi.
It may be in Lake Hausa City, Arizona.
Yes, you are right. It is found in USA, Arizona. It is used as a symbol of London and is recognizable to visitors from all over the world, even if the majority of people doesn't know what it is actually called. London Bridge. London Bridge has existed in one form or another for nearly 2000 years now. It's the site of the oldest crossing of River Thames on the record. So, the scores till now are Rajvi के 3 points है and Jay के 4 points है. So, for this contest, Jay is the winner. So, Jay, कैसा लगा तुम्हें जीत के?
अरे ये शो में मैं जीतू या हारूं मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. मैं आपके शो में यही बहुत बड़ी बात है.
That's cool.
It was really fun and enjoying. I was enjoying a lot, by the way.
I think अभी मुझे जनरल नॉलेज का बहुत ज्यादा सीखने की जरूरत है और मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा क्योंकि मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने भी मिला जो मुझे नहीं पता था. So thank you for inviting me.
So, Jay, अब तुम तो जीत गए तो मुझे पार्टी तो देनी पड़ेगी ना, as per promise. तो क्या दोगे मुझे पार्टी में? कहाँ मिलेगी मुझे पार्टी?
पहली बात मैंने प्रॉमिस किया ही नहीं था.
बट हमारा शो की वो डील हुई थी ना स्टार्टिंग में ही कि जो भी जीतेगा उसे पार्टी देनी पड़ेगी.
मुझे तो पूछा ही नहीं गया था. मैं तो एग्री भी नहीं था. मतलब मैं एग्री वो पॉइंट पे कर ही नहीं रहा था.
कोई नहीं, मैं तो बच गई. मेरे पास तो एडवांटेज भी है.
So, thank you for joining me.
Okay. Bye,
Bye
Anna.
bye. Bye bye.
Thank you for inviting me.